gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know
Hi
I'm
guys,
the only one.
welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. The unit is from SuCoo Hair and this is from Amazon. This is their packaging and these are the goodies that came along with the hair.
Everybody's watching. They say that we won't win. Yeah. But girl, I know I loved you from the first time I saw you. So I'm ready for this.
This is an ordinary cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, and two combs on either side.
Guess we're underrated. The haters keep on hating, but we're ready for
this is how the unit is looking, and it is their 20-inch deep wave lace closure wig. It is a 4x4 lace wig. I'll go right ahead and put the unit on so you can see how the wig is looking, you all.
I can see the people. I see them crowding in. Yeah. For many different reasons, but in every season, we're ready for this.
As you can see here, the unit came with no parting, so you gotta go in and make your own parting. I'll turn around so you can see the back of the wig.
Together, I'm winning, girl, with you. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much.
First, I'll go in and cut the lace.
All my life, you chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive.
I am adding the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace.
Everyone we know, strangers rooting for us, family won't support us. It's funny how it goes. Hey, home runs are waiting. Let's hit them one by one. Look how far we made it. Ooh, the haters just can't take it, and still we ain't done. No.
This unit can be worn without gluing, but I'll go in with the got-to-be glue and lay the lace.
Let them say what they want to stay.
I am going in to widen my parting space, but this is definitely optional.
Let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive, 'cause we're about to win. My heart's been training for all these years. I've come too far to lose. We hit the ball and the crowd goes wild for me and wild for you. Win, baby, we'll win. I love to win. Playing this game to win.
You know a girl gotta make some baby hairs, so I'll be plucking the hair to make it thinner.
Funny how they following the things that we be doing, all the places we be going, and the things that we keep posting. Yes, I'm ready for the challenge that the haters think they're throwing. So get ready for the win, cause baby, we can keep this going. Baby, we can keep this rolling. Baby, can't you see I'm showing you the better and the finer things? Someone never get a dream. It's making people crazy, so they rooting for the other team. I know I'm gonna win this game. My wedding's gonna be insane. I told you I'ma marry you, and we gon' have a lot of kids. And they gon' go to college from the house we bought and raised them in. And then we gon' retire. It's a Cali where we visiting. And everything about you was the reason that I was so
Now I'm adding some powder to the lace. I am going in with the concealer to add to the parting space.
When I'm done with you, you'll be singing like Whitney Houston. I run to you.
Gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice next to me. Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to
I am spraying this side of the hair with some water and comparing the side that is wet with the side that is dried.
You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies.
So this is how both side of the hair is looking. And I go in with the Marc Anthony curl cream and head to the wet side of the hair.
I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me, but when I turn around, your spirit hides from me.
As you can see, the wet side of the hair, the curls are more defined, while the dry side, the hair is just puffy.
A dream, Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray.
I'll go ahead and add some water to the other side of the hair.
You took something from me, forgot my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move on. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me.
I am going in with the wax stick to get rid of the flyaways.
I did this for me.
This is Amazon SuCoo Deep Wave Lace Closure Wig. It is 150% density, guys, but this doesn't feel like it is 150% density. This unit can be worn without gluing, so guys, you don't have to worry about laying your lace and doing all of that stuff. And it is definitely big head friendly and beginner friendly. I experienced minimal shedding from the unit. I love the curls, especially when you wet the hair. The curls are really defined. My only con, it is too thin for me, guys. But if you're interested in this unit, all the details of the unit is in the description down below, so you guys can go and check Amazon SuCoo hair out. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.
Gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did, so you better stop playing with me before this time